A quick review of using area formulas to solve problems. So on the first one, you've got a parallelogram, and it says a window shaped like a parallelogram has an area of 15 square feet. The height of the window is 3 feet. How long is the base of the window? So to start, you need to know your formula for area of a parallelogram, which is one of the easier ones. It's just area equals base times height. So plug in what you know. You have an area of 15, so 15 gets plugged in for A. We don't have the base yet. We have to find it. It's what's on the bottom, so leave it as B. And we have a height of 3, so 3 goes in for H. And now you're here. 15 equals B times 3. Opposite of multiplying by 3 is dividing by 3. And you have to draw on both sides of the equal sign. By doing that, I get rid of it over here. So 15 divided by 3 equals 5, which means that this window has a base of 5 feet. Okay, the next one has multiple steps to it, and this is more like what you're going to be seeing on your worksheet here in a minute. Okay, it says a triangular shaped field in a park needs sod. The triangle has a base of 10 meters and a height of 8. The sod is sold in pallets of 25 square meters. How many pallets of sod are needed to fill the field? This is sod, for those of you that don't know. It's just like rolled up grass. So it gives you all the information you need to find the area of that triangular shaped field. Area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. So we've got a base of 10 right here times the height of 8. Then we have to divide that by 2. So 10 times 8 is 80. And 80 divided by 2 is 40. So this ballpark has an area of 40 meters squared. Okay, so in order, the entire inside of this is 40 meters. They're trying to fill it with this sod, like the grass, and the sod is sold in pallets of 25 square meters. So our job is to find out how many we would need to fill the entire field. So one thing of sod isn't going to be enough because it would only cover a little over half of this triangle. So we'd have to get 2 things of sod. So 2 things of this would mean you'd have 50 meters squared. So you'd have a little bit too much because you really only need 40, but you have to have enough to cover the entire thing. So whenever you get to the questions on your homework, like I think one of them asks about paint, you can't buy like a third of a can of paint, so you'd have to just buy a whole nother can of paint. So the answer to this question, when it says how many pallets of sod are needed to fill the field, it would be 2 pallets. And the last one. Hang on, sorry. Okay, find the height of the following trapezoid. So the formula for area of a trapezoid is the hardest one. It's area equals base 1 plus base 2. So you add the bases, divide it by 2, multiply it by the height. Told you it's a lot. So plug in what you have. You have an area of 36, so we're going to plug 36 in for A. You have a base of 10 and another base of 14. And since it says like right here that you're just going to add those together, we can just go ahead and do that and simplify, save a step. So 10 plus 14 is 24. And then we have to divide it by 2, multiply it by the height. Okay, we can simplify again. 24 divided by 2 is 12. So then you're at 36 equals 12 times H. And remember, we're trying to find the height, so H. All right, opposite of multiplying by 12 is to divide by 12. And 36 divided by 12 is 3. So the height of this trapezoid is 3 meters. All right, make sure you have all that copied down and then go on to the next assignment.